Mainframe in 2026, still running the world. Every time you swipe a credit card, check your bank balance, or book a flight, there is a good chance that mainframe just did the real world work behind the scene. So in 2026, you might be wondering or you might be asking whether should I learn mainframe or not, whether it is significant in the age of AI or not. So mainframe is a high scale, a large powered uh, computer built for one job, processing massive volume of transactions reliably at scale without going down. Think IBM Z series systems, they are not old computers, they are purpose built machines that can process tens of thousands of transactions per second with uptime measured in years, not days. Why mainframe is still there? Here is a part where people get wrong. Mainframes aren't legacy leftovers waiting to be replaced. They are the backbone of industries that can't afford failures. About 70% of global Fortune 500 companies still run core operations on mainframe. The majority of the world credit card transactions are processed on them. Most major banks, insurers, airlines, and governments run core systems on mainframe. For example, payroll processing, claim processing, and reservations, etc. Why? Three reasons. First, reliability. Mainframes achieve nearly around 100% of uptime. Security, built-in encryption and isolation at the hardware level, and raw transactions throughput that cloud native systems still struggle to match cost effectively at that scale. The problem with the skill gap, but there is a real crisis brewing. The engineers who built and maintain these systems, COBOL programmers, JCL specialists, mainframe sysadmins are retiring fast. The average mainframe developers are in their 50s or 60s, and universities largely stopped teaching this stuff decades ago. So you have got $1 trillion systems running the global economy with a shrinking pool of people who know how to maintain them. That's not a hypothetical risk. Banks and governments have publicly struggled to find COBOL talents during the system failures. Where AI fits in, there is this is where AI is changing the picture, not by replacing mainframes, but by changing how we work with them. AI coding assistants are now genuinely useful are at reading, modernizing decades-old COBOL, explaining what a 10,000 line batch job actually does, generating documents, even assisting with careful refactors. IBM and other vendors are building AI tools specifically for mainframe modernization, code explanation, automation testing, and gradual migration to hybrid cloud setups. So the future isn't mainframe disappears, it's mainframe plus AI co-pilots, reducing the dependency on scarce human expertise while the underlying systems keep running the world critical infrastructure. So, should you learn mainframe in 2026? Here is the honest answer. It depends on your goal. If you work in the enterprise, banking, insurance, government, IT companies, or systems architecture, yes, mainframe skill combined with modern skills like Python, API, and AI tooling make you rare and valuable. There is a genuinely less competition than in web development. If your goal is startups, mobile apps, or general software engineering, it's not essential. Your time is better spent elsewhere. The real strategic move, don't learn mainframe instead of modern skills. Learn it alongside AI assisted toolings. That combination, someone who understands COBOL systems and can use AI to modernize and integrate them, is exactly what these industries desperately need right now. So mainframes aren't dying, they are quite unglamorous engine under the world's most critical systems. And in the age of AI, The opportunity isn't the replacing them, it's in being one of those people who can bridge 50 years old code with tomorrow's tool. So, this is the mainframe story in 2026. Mainframes are invisible backbone of the world. Like money, flights, records. So that's it. If you are curious more about mainframe, you can ask question in comment sections. Thanks for watching.